Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Mobile Freak and today we'll unbox and did a quick setup on this Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage in this gradient bronze color. So you can see Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. I will need to focus this again, everything is fine, and let's just start and unbox this one. So I have some little knife here and some cuts here, exactly, and one here, and that's it. And guys, I'm really sorry if you hear some background noises. It's out of focus again. See that it? If you hear some background noises, it's because of I'm rendering video right now. So let's end this a little bit. Let's go, my friend. We don't need that. Let's go here. So something says here, designed by Redmi. Okay. Let's check what is here. What we get here. SIM injection tool, some guides, okay, and this is a standard silicone case, which is, if you ask me, not that great, because this is and it smells really bad. Whatever, let's put this on the side. It has that matte finish. We have right now the phone. I set that on side. Let's remove this, and here with USB-C cable. Also, you don't need that. And here is the big, 33 watt, power for this device. You can see 33 watt. We'll set this on the side because we also don't need that. And put this on the side. What is this? Here is the phone. So you can see right now 108 megapixel quad camera, 120 Hz of refresh rate on this AMOLED screen, Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G, and 33 watt fast charging and 5020 milliampere hours battery. So let me just set the focus here and remove this. Okay. You can see this is a really great color, if you ask me. Put this on the side. And also remove this, we don't need that. So I just put that in the box, and here it is. So this is really great color, if you ask me. It's really great. You can see, is this device fat? It's something in the middle. It's not something like S20 Ultra or Poco X3 or Poco X3 Pro, but it's something in the middle. There is USB-C on the bottom. Let me just focus again. USB-C on the bottom. There is speakers. On the top we have 3.5mm audio jack. Again, speakers here. On the side, mounted fingerprint, up and down volume buttons. On the left side we have SIM, for SIM, card slots, and this is the back of this phone. So let's just see the cameras. It looks really great, if you ask me. You cannot see that here, I think, because of the lighting. I will try to focus that. Not today, guys. So as you can see, a really great device. Let's just power him on. Redmi. I will sit down right now because I've got more for standing. So let's just quickly set up this device and see how it is in system. Just a second. We'll skip pretty much anything because we don't care for that. We only want to let's set English, United States, forward, agree, everything, skip this step, skip again, let's go my friend, what's wrong with you, more, accept, and a couple of more seconds and we are really good to go. So you can see this device, this color is really amazing. Something here is like gold and on the bottom is like some orange, or how I can call that, some fruit. I don't know the name of that fruit, but you probably know. And here is pretty much finished on this setup. We need to just load the apps. I can see the device looks great. The specs are great. For this price you get pretty much a lot things, and we are really good to go right now. Sorry for that. So we are in, guys. Let me check how much storage we got about phone, and you can see there is already 18 gigabytes of internal storage taken, and that's pretty much it. Let's set the screen refresh rate to 120 Hz high. So let's go back. Yeah, that's definitely really great. Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. This was unboxing of Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro with 6 GB of RAM and 120 GB of internal storage. And this 108 megapixel camera looks really great on the back of these devices. It's on the two sides, something like really new to Xiaomi. And thank you very much for watching. Like always, we will see you in the next one. So peace.